Debt collection. You might not want to talk about it, but we must. What are your rights? Well, here to explain what those rights might be versus collection agencies is Taz Rajan with Bromwich+Smith. Thank you so much for being here to discuss this today.
Thank you so much for having me, Kevin.
So we're just going to break this down together point by point. And let's start things off with how many times can a collection agency legally call you in Canada?
Yeah, as you were saying, collection calls and collection contact can be very, very stressful and very, very emotional. And many Canadians aren't aware of what collection agencies can and cannot do. So, according to the Government of Canada website, debt collectors must actually first notify you in writing or make a reasonable attempt before they can start calling. So, even though there's no set limit of the number of times they can call, there are limits to the time of day and the fact that they do need to let you know verbally or in writing before they start that.
Okay, Taz, you just mentioned time of day. When are they allowed to reach out?
Yeah, definitely not at 2 in the morning when you're stressing out the most. So they're only allowed to be calling between 7 a.m. and 9 p.m. Monday to Saturday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Sundays, but not on stat holidays, not in the middle of the night. And if, there is that situation where a collections agency is harassing you or you're feeling like you're being harassed, you can definitely file a complaint with the Financial Consumer Agency of Canada.
I would imagine it would feel a lot like harassment if they reached out to you at work. Can collectors do that?
You know what? They actually can. They can call your employer, but all that they can do when they call your employer is just confirm that you are employed there, confirm your phone number, address, and if they are actually going to continue with what's called wage garnishment, if they're actually going to be, garnishing your pay through your employer. So yeah, that's something that maybe we're not aware of or a fear we might have.
What about family and friends? Can they find workarounds that way if they're otherwise having a hard time reaching you?
The big thing with family friends is if they were your co-signer, they are now responsible for that debt if the collections company cannot reach you. So that is one time they absolutely can. And they can also reach out to friends and family just to find your contact information. They're not supposed to disclose why they're trying to find you. And, with social media, it's pretty easy to find our friends and family these days.
Let's talk about those credit reports once all is said and done. How long will the account related to a collections agency remain on a credit report?
This is such an important question, Kevin, because I think we have some disillusions around our credit report and what stays on for how long. So generally, collections activities will stay on your credit report for 6 years. It depends on which credit reporting agency this is, whether it's Equifax or TransCanada, and it does depend on which province, but generally you're looking at 6 years for this to stay on your credit report. So you don't want to just ignore your creditors or collection calls.
And lastly, how do you stop debt collectors from calling?
Yeah, absolutely. You know what? It would be really, really great to just make a phone call to your local licensed insolvency trustee firm like Bromwich+Smith, because we actually can get those debt collectors off your back and help you start rebuilding your credit as well.
Well, Taz, thank you so much for joining us today. Great points, and we hope it helped out there.
Thank you.
Debt Real Talk with Bromwich+Smith. Free confidential debt relief consultations.